Hi, I will give you some tips to better sleep outside. This is not for you YouTube high performance outdoor campers. This is for people who want to get into this stuff and want to get some tips. Yeah, this is also not for hammock people. I also really like to sleep in hammocks, but I will talk about this in a separate video. At first, we want to sleep on the ground. So as soon as you arrive on your destination, make sure to take the time to find a good spot. Because, as you can see here, there are a lot of roots. Now I just have to walk a few meters and I find a good, even spot where I can sleep. So, good spot. Next tip. I assume you will do like a Bivy thing. If you want to use a tarp, you also have to check for trees where you can place your tarp between. But I mainly focus on Bivy right here. So I'm also recommending you to use a Bivy Roll. A Bivy Roll is just a roll made out of a Bivy bag, and inside there is the sleeping bag and the insulation mat already inside. So this saves a lot of time when you want to be able to camp. You can just place this on the ground, slip inside, and you are ready to sleep. But please also think about the points that come next. Watch out for dangerous areas like this. You don't want to roll down there. If there is a hazard that you can roll, then place your backpack securely next to you. Or collect rocks or big tree pieces and place them also next to you. They cannot roll into dangerous areas. Of course, the danger can also come from above. When there are rocks, rockfall can be deadly. When this falls down several meters and hits you on your head or somewhere else, this will be painful, or you will never feel pain in your not life anymore. Whatever. You get the point? But not only with rocks. Especially when you sleep in the woods. It's really, really important to look up. Because there are trees. There are branches. Often trees die over time, or branches die. And then they can hang somewhere and can fall down when wind picks up at night. So take your headlamp, light up and watch what can come from above. I once had a situation. I was making me cozy and almost starting to sleep. And then I was like, I didn't check what's above me. And then I switched on my headlamp and there was a big tree hanging. Yeah, of course, it's not super likely that this tree will fall, but it's possible and you can avoid this. The last tip is concealment. I will not talk about tactical stuff here. It's more for like civil, BV, bushcraft kind of stuff. If you can see, there are tracks where people are walking. If there is a road and so on, make sure not to place yourself on this track or next to it. Go some meters in the bushes, sleep there, and leave no traces, no trash, and so on. If you find trash from somewhere else, be so kind and collect it. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching. It was super fast, dirty video. Let me know what you think about this kind of video. And I'm looking forward to be watched by you again. Bye.